The applicant is a dangerous criminal with no regard to human life. The crimes that he is charged with are of, at this stage, 4 counts of conspiracy to commit murder, 4 counts of murder, and if he is convicted, he will face a long term of imprisonment. The evidence against the applicant is overwhelming, and if released on bail, he has a strong motive to evade justice. He has means to leave the country at any time.
The investigating officer paints a grim picture of what she says is an influential, dangerous criminal whose release on bail could interfere with the witnesses, and even the investigators who the court heard are under 24-hour guard. This, according to the state, is a man into drug trading.
The information indicates that the applicant is active in the illicit drug trade and that the killing of the DJs was connected to this.
The state also says Molefe's banking records reveal multiple deposits with no clear identifiable source. The affidavit of the investigator further reveals that Molefe played the role of a middleman responsible for payment, citing WhatsApp conversations days after DJ Sumbody's murder. Molefe says the fact that being granted bail upon appeal in the murder case of QTech employee Aman Swart already passed the legal test for bail. Molefe, however, says the fact that he was granted bail upon appeal in the murder case of QTech employee Aman Swart already passes the legal test for bail. In his affidavit, he cites strong family and economic ties to South Africa, saying he has no interest of fleeing and living like a fugitive.
I would not have been given bail on appeal if the state had demonstrated a risk of my fleeing. Nothing has changed with regard to my personal circumstances. I was arrested at home. It is alleged that I'm dangerous and witnesses fear for their lives. There is no content to this allegation for me to deal with.
He also says he has no convictions and pending cases except for the Swart matter within the borders of South Africa.
I do have a previous conviction for the importation of cannabis into the United Kingdom more than 20 years ago, for which I was incarcerated and subsequently deported to the RSA and barred from entering into the UK. I committed that crime 20 years ago using an alias, David Lebitsa, and I was using a Lesotho passport.
The bail application will continue when the matter resumes next week Friday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the Alexandra Magistrates Court in Johannesburg.